Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a main topic in the chapter life process called transportation. Now, first, what do you mean by transportation? A life process in which a substance absorbed in one part of the body of the organism is carried to the other parts of its body. Transportation is categorized into the two divisions, that is called transportation in plants and transportation in human beings. Let first discuss about the transportation in human being, which is classified into the two system called circulatory system and double circulation. Basically, circulatory system has blood vessels, blood, lymph and the heart. As you know, heart is our pumping organ and it has various valves, chambers. It means 4 chambers: atriums, ventricles, which is further divided into the left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and the right ventricle. Blood vessels are divided into the 3 main blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. And the composition of blood you have learnt in the 9th class. That is, it is composed of plasma and blood cells. और 3 टाइप के जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं वो आप लोग को पता ही हैं: RBCs, WBCs एंड ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स, जिनको हम रेड ब्लड सेल्स भी कहते हैं, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स भी कहते हैं और ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स भी कहा जाता है. Now today we are going to discuss how the blood flow through heart, which is very important and which plays a very important role in the transportation of various substances in our body. Hence it is called the pumping organ. Now this is the sectional view of human heart, which consists of various type of veins and arteries. Now it consists of, when we are talking about the first blood flow through heart, first let we start from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. As the name indicate, superior vena cava means it consists of deoxygenated blood which comes into the right auricle. That blood is called the deoxygenated blood, and which comes into the right auricle through the upper part of the body. Hence it is called the superior. And the inferior, it means the deoxygenated blood comes into the right auricle through the lower part of the body. मतलब कि कहने का मतलब क्या है कि जो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो हमारा सुपीरियर वेना केवा से और इन्फीरियर वेना केवा से राइट ऑरिकल में आता है. Now the blood fills into the right auricle, the tricuspid valve. Why it is called the tricuspid? Because 3 muscular flaps are present, hence it is called the tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve gets open and the deoxygenated blood enter into the right ventricle. As the blood fills in the right ventricle, these valves get closed to prevent backflow of the blood. And the pressure is generated in the right ventricle and the blood goes towards the lungs through the pulmonary artery. As you know, the function of the artery is to carry the oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood. जितनी भी आर्टरीज होती हैं वो तो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करती हैं. सिर्फ एक ऐसी आर्टरी है जो कि डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करती है और लंग्स के पास लेकर जाती है. In the lungs, there is a purification of the deoxygenated blood. The blood become oxygenated and it enter into the left auricle through pulmonary vein. Now you know the vein carry the deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary vein. This is the main difference between the pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. that is pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood and pulmonary veins carry the oxygenated blood, and the blood enters into the left auricle. After that, the blood enters into the left ventricle, and the bicuspid valve which is present in between the left auricle and the left ventricle, it will get open and the blood enters into the left ventricle. Now these valves get closed to prevent backflow of the blood, ताकि blood जो है वो वापस ना जाए, ये valves close हो जाती हैं और एक pressure generate हो जाता है left ventricle में, जिसकी वजह से जो blood है it goes into the all the parts of the body through the largest artery called aorta. Now this is up to the blood flow through heart, and this section is very important for your board exams. Is that clear? I think that all of you understand it. If anyone have query about this, do message me.